Hello, I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of G major. So the first thing I want to just review the notes for a G major scale. Do is G, Re is A, Mi is B, Fa is C, So is D, La is E, T is F sharp, and Do is G. Standard fingering, so we're going to cross under 3 and then under 4. Same with the left hand. Cross under 3, cross under 4. There's two things you need to know if you're going to play formula pattern scales. One is, are you playing your scales parallel, same direction, or are you playing contrary, opposite direction? Contrary motion will often feel similar in the fingering. Not necessarily the notes though, because you notice here my fourth finger's on 4. My fourth finger's not going to be on 4 down here. But my second finger will have a black key. So item number 2 is we just have to organize it into segments. So if you look at that diagram up above, you'll see it organized into the segments. So we have segment 1 is parallel, up. Then we've got out, 1 octave out. Segment 3, in. Segment 4 is up and down, and then out and in and down. So on the diagram, you can easily see which ones are parallel. Those are the ones that are skinny like that. The big diamonds are the contrary motion. So we're going to lock all of the changes and the fingering in using a technique of short and long rhythms, and it will look like this. So segment 1 is a parallel segment, so both hands moving in the same direction. Under 3, over with 3. Now right hand's going to continue on up and left hand's going to change direction. This is going out, contrary motion. Now in. Black keys don't feel the same when you're doing contrary motion. Now left hand's going to continue on up, so it's going to cross with 4. Right hand's going to change direction. Parallel motion. Black keys happening at the same time. Parallel motion down. Cross with 3. Now left hand's going to continue on down. Right hand's going to change. We're going to go out, crossing under 3. Then back in. Now here's the scale without the short long rhythms. Segment 1 is up. Right hand continues, left hand changes direction, contrary motion. Now both hands change, coming in. Left hand's going to continue on up. Right hand's going to change direction, parallel. Both hands change direction, down, parallel. Left hand keeps going, right hand changes. We're going out and in. Right hand's going to continue on down. Left hand's going to change direction, parallel. So if you take a look at the formula pattern diagram above, the only thing that changes when we change from 2 octave formula pattern scales to 4 is the length of a segment. So when we did 2 octave formula pattern scales, our segment was 1 octave before we switched. Now our segments will be 2 octaves. So we'll start here, 1 octave apart. Segment 1 is 2 octaves, then out for 2 octaves, in, up, down, out, in, and down. So 2 octave scale to begin. Up, parallel motion. Here we go. Cross with 3, under 4. Now, here we go. Out, contrary motion. And switch direction, both hands. One more octave. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of G. We covered 2 octaves and 4 octaves, and I hope that you found it helpful. And I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.